Hi, so in this video I'm going to explain how to set up a script that copies birthdays from your contacts into a Google Calendar that you own. So the first thing to do is to visit the project URL. So here I'm going to make a copy. So first of all we click Make a Copy. So this ensures that the script runs under your own account. And you'll see a presentation here of the code with full instructions on how to set it up. And you should already have the calendar and people libraries here, which allows the script to connect to your calendar and the people's API to retrieve the contacts. So once you've copied the script like this, you need to set up a calendar. So I'm going to go into Google Calendar here and I'm going to create a new calendar. And I'm going to call this one My Birthdays. So once you've created that calendar, you're going to need to copy the calendar ID. So I'll show you that in a second. So My Birthdays. And I scroll down to Integrate Calendar, and this is what we need, the calendar ID. So I'm going to copy that and go back to the script that I copied here. And I'm going to replace the calendar ID here between the quotation marks with my calendar ID. Okay, so I have to save that. You'll see there's a little orange circle here, so that means I have to save. And now I can select the Update Birthdays function and I can just run it. So we have to review permissions, and here you'll see some screens that might warn you, well, they will warn you that we're downloading contacts and we can edit the calendar. So I'm going to allow that. And we can see here that it's created various birthday events. So you can run this script again and it won't create duplicates. It'll say that the birthdays have already been created. So what this allows you to do is to go into Triggers and add a new trigger. So here I can select Update Birthdays. I want it to be time driven and I want to run that, let's say, every day at midnight. Save. So that will basically run the script that I just ran every day to ensure that if I've added new contacts with birthdays, they will be put into the calendar. So let's just go and check that calendar. And here you can see that these birthdays have been created, and they've been created as yearly events. So if I go to John Doe's birthday, that's an annual repeat. So once that calendar is created, we can now do anything we like with this calendar, including printing, for example, which isn't possible with the birthdays calendar. I could share it if I wanted. I can set up notifications even for specific events and edit them as I would any normal calendar. So thanks for watching. I hope this is useful, and please check out the other videos on my channel.